Oh, there he is, guys, right on that sandbar, just like I had mentioned, guys, right on the tip of it. There he is, guys. Yes. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you know, I always appreciate you guys coming by. Well, it's been an interesting morning. I set out about 9:30. My plan was I have a crap load of ponds in my Google Maps. Hit up probably 8 of them, and they're either no trespassing or the water was way too low. So here it is, like 11:45 in the afternoon. I have until just about 3 o'clock to fish before I got to pick up Victoria. So I'm back out here at Rotary Park. I'm just gonna walk the banks. I'm actually gonna throw the pencil right now. This area I'm working, well, that I plan on fishing, it's pretty shallow, but I've seen some activity, a lot of bluegill and all that, so hopefully there's some big fish up around here. All right, man, let's get them. Can't believe how low this water is, which is fine because it makes it great for shore fishing. I don't have to crash through a bunch of bushes. Man, I used to throw right into all of those bushes there, the tulies, with a frog. So I'm just gonna see if, wow, look at that, man. There's so many bluegill around here. Hoping there will be some bass up here. I'm gonna throw this pencil for a little bit, then maybe the triple threat through here. We'll see. I think I could get a couple on this pencil, even though it's the middle of the day. It's a bone color. They seem to like the bone color in this clear water. It doesn't matter what time of day it is, man. I don't know if you guys could see the difference in the water color. Well, what I'm doing at the darker part, I'm trying to work that where it gets really bright, really clear. It's a pretty decent drop off. It just begins dropping and dropping. So I'm thinking the fish are just sitting on the other side of that. There he is. Sweet. He's really not that little, guys. I don't want to get muddy, man, but I guess I'm getting muddy. Nice. Always have your pliers handy, guys. Like, I don't. They're in my bag, but that was awesome. Sweet. Okay, guys, in my kayaking video out here at Rotary Park, up here or up there, wherever it is, make sure you check out that video. I'm actually in the same spot where I caught one of my fish on the Beyond Limits fishing beaver. I'm out here at that little sandbar. The sandbar actually goes from down there all the way across and varies. So I'm going to continue to throw the pencil over the top of it for a little bit, then I'll probably break down and I'll throw the beaver. Okay, guys, it's 1 o'clock. Got some cloud cover, little bit of wind. Perfect for the pencil right now. Perfect, especially in this bone color. Hope you can see the sandbar out there. That's what I'm gonna concentrate on right now. Sweet, I can make it. I should get bit and the first couple jerks are within the first 30 to 40 feet, you know, going over that sandbar, because I'll be on the back side of it, then I'll come on the front side of the, I'll be on both sides of the drop off, basically what I'm trying to say. Surprised I haven't seen any spawning fish, man. Or they're just out deeper and I can't see them. Oh, I'm going right over the heart of that sandbar. I'm on the edge of it. I just hit the sandbar. Going over the top of it. Now just hit the drop off of it. They should be sitting on it, man. This weather's been consistent in the 80s the last couple days. Bites should really start picking up. Oh, there he is, guys, right on that sandbar, just like I had mentioned, guys, right on the tip of it. It's a little fish, but a 1 o'clock in the afternoon top water bite, nothing beats it, bro. Nothing beats it. Sweet. Yes, love it when a plan comes together, guys. Haha, sweet. Ah, damn it, my pliers are over there. So I tore it up. Appreciate you playing at 1 o'clock in the afternoon on top water bait. Woohoo! Let's hit that sandbar again, man. That was right as I got to the top of the sandbar and he just freaking inhaled it. There's a point on it where it breaks off and goes down to deeper water, and he was right on the tip of that. So I'm gonna concentrate in that area for a little bit, then I'm gonna throw the beaver also. That was epic. See if I could go on the tip of it. Here on the left hand side, guys, where I am right now, I know it's hard for you to see. The sandbar comes out, then it ends. It drops off to 8-9 feet, then it comes back up. There's probably a 15-foot gap where it comes up onto the other sandbar. And the portion on the right hand side, right on the tip, that's where that last fish hit. Okay, guys, I see a fish right on the bank. I'm not sure if he's on a bed yet, but I'm gonna throw on a white jig and see if I could get him. Dude thought I left. Still here, buddy. There he is, guys. Yes. Right in the snoot. Right in the snoot. Yeah, he was worth the wait, guys. He was worth the wait. Get up here. Yes. What a good fish. Hey. What a good fish. Dude, you're stuck on a bush. Come on. He opened his mouth, guys, on that friggin' branch. Back up, dude. Come on, you can do it. Oh my God. Am I gonna have to go in there and save him? This is stupid. Oh, there he goes. He got it. All right, well, that's it for this episode. I appreciate you guys watching. It was a fun day, man. Man, if you're out there fishing, you got some clear water. It's middle of the day. You got some clouds, some wind. Do not be afraid to throw a topwater bait, especially in the bone color in some clear water. You guys saw it. You know, I missed a couple fish that didn't actually get it, but hey man, I caught a couple. Who throws a topwater in the middle of the day? Nobody. Unfortunately, I didn't throw a beaver on that sandbar, man. I got all into that the Realis Pencil bite, but hey, nothing better than an adrenaline bite. And congratulations to Ginger Ninja for winning my giveaway. All right, I appreciate you all. As always, stay safe, tight lines, and stick your PB.